today I am doing another crafty type video. I want to tell you another thing that I have been doing lately. This is my new obsession. And as you can see, I am in my kitchen right now because this is where I primarily do this craft at. So today I want to go over this. It's called a diamond painting. I want to go over some tips that I have learned from doing it and some things if you are interested in trying this out for yourself, then I'm going to show you how to do it and where to get one at. So here we go. Alright, so when you first get a diamond painting, of course you order it online, you pick what design you want. For me, I chose this really pretty mermaid design with the intention of framing it and putting it up on my wall. So what you get is this instruction, which I will go over in 1 minute. You get your little tray to keep the diamonds on, and you have your pen, your tweezers. Not all packs come with the tweezers, but these are really, really helpful. And the wax, and of course the actual diamonds. So let's go over the different types of diamond paintings and what exactly this is. So a diamond painting looks like this. It's pretty much a pixelated picture, and you literally take these little itty bitty diamonds, or what they're called, because they're faceted to shine like a diamond. And this is mine that I have been working on. It is a little over halfway done at this point, but it shows you the picture of what it's supposed to look like, and then this corresponds with this. So you can look at each number on here and see. So for example, each one of these little symbols or little sections here, each one is a symbol or a letter. So there are different, like, percentage, an at symbol, different letters, different numbers. So you correspond, say on here, like this is a section T, then you would find the T on here, and that is 939. So then you find your bag, 939. Or if you already have it arranged like I do, you simply go to the T, and then you can dump the T in here and get to work. Now what I did is I ordered this online off of Amazon. It was only, seriously, it was like $3 and some change with free shipping. So if I can find that, I'll link that below for you so you can get one of your own if you are interested in doing diamond paintings. This has been so helpful. And yeah, so it also does come with these little baggies. So I had a couple extra colors that just didn't fit in my containers. So I had to put these in my baggies, and I just marked them so I know what they are. And so what I did is I just marked them with the letters that correspond with the colors in the bags. And as you can see, like they hold about 4 or 5 little bags each, which is a good amount, and anything left over I keep in here. And then if I have more than 4 or 5 bags, then I just keep them in here and refill the smaller containers as I go. This is 28 small things. So these are what the bags look like. You do also get an instruction booklet as well, the paper, which I think I threw away. But I just marked on here what the letter was, and then it has the number imprinted if you can see it. Let me see if I can find another one. Here, this is H, and it says, let's go this way with it. It says 890 right there, so that is 890 or H. So that is that. And the cool thing with this is I wrote it with the Sharpie, but I can scrape it off, and easily change those for my next one. So what it is, here's your instructions. It tells you how many bags of each color you get. So let's say this is 6. It says 152 on the bag, and then there is one of those. So you look at the bag. This is 890. So you can see H is 890, and there was 7 of those. Not sure what these numbers are. You kind of disregard the right side numbers. But you want to go through this whole list when you first get your order, and make sure that you have the correct number of beads and diamonds, and the bags that correspond with this, and just make sure that everything is correct. If not, you can email the company that you ordered it from, and which I recommend you getting it from the same company that I did, because they are legit. And they will send you diamonds if you don't have them, or you lose them, or whatever. They'll send you extras for free. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so what I did is I dumped the letter T into my tray. And what you do is you have your pen. Not all of them have this big thing on the end of it. This is so you can put multiple ones in a row if you have the same color. But it doesn't work very well, so I just recommend doing the single just at a time. And what you do is it comes with this wax, which, as you can see, I've done most of this painting, and that's all I've used. So, and I still have some left over from my previous one as well. So all I do, if I can do this one-handed, is you stick this into it, which will punch a little hole, and then the wax gets stuck into the end of this, which will pick up your diamonds, okay? So you just touch it on the top of it and you pick up your diamonds. And then you go to the corresponding letter on here. This is a T, and then this is actually a sticky surface. This whole thing is sticky. Oh crap, okay. You don't want to do that. Don't touch it. This whole surface is sticky, so each one of the diamonds, pick it up with the wax, and then you stick it onto each one of the letters that correspond with it, and they stick to it, and it's a really good adhesive. Like, they're not going anywhere. So, so there are different kinds of diamond paintings, and I learned this the hard way. This is my first full drill. This is called a full drill painting because it is the full picture, which is really what you want. It's just, it takes longer. For me, I like it when it takes longer because it really gives me something to do, while I'm watching TV or whatever. So what I learned is there are different ones. These are the square drills, and these are the round drills, which is the little diamonds. You have the round ones, you have the square ones. As you can see, the square ones are more filling. There's not any gaps. And the circle ones, you can see a little bit of space in between them. To me, they kind of look like the little candy dots that you eat like on the paper. So I do prefer the square. And the thing that I learned the hard way is I ordered this one online. I believe it was on eBay or Amazon, which is the only, okay, here's the thing. You have to, they don't sell these in the craft stores, which really sucks. So you have to order it online, okay? So before I knew what I was doing, I was like, cool, I paid like $5 or something for this, okay? What they don't tell you is it's not a full picture. You think it's a full picture, but as you can see, I literally did the tree and I did the chairs, which took me like a day and a half or 2 days or whatever, and I was like, well, this is pretty retarded. So, but I mean, if that's what you prefer, you can do that, okay? I just don't feel like that's worth it. It's kind of dumb to me, honestly. It's the same process. You get your numbers and your letters that correspond, and you put the drills, the little diamonds, where they belong. And you come over here and you see the huge difference. This is really, really what you want. The full drill, the square diamonds, amazing. This is the larger one. I believe this is a 30 by 40. The larger the picture, the less pixelated it will look when it is completed. So it'll be a little bit more identifiable as to what your picture is. Also, when you get it, it will be rolled up. So it will have this on it, and you can see it was just completely rolled. So what you do to get it flat is you just pick this up. Of course, it's going to be sticky. And then you flatten it back out. And just the process of lifting it and then flattening it back and pushing it back down will help the canvas to be flat and not rolled up so that you can go ahead and start working. Another tip that I have is I started doing this. If you can look, there are lines, these dark lines that kind of separate sections on here. And so I see, like, this is a straight line here. I did section by section, and then when I decided to go past that, when I was done with this whole section, then I went further down and I just do one color at a time. And say I have a little fuzzy. So I took all of the H's, which are the green ones, and fill in all the green ones, and so forth, until each section gets completed, which kind of helps me stay focused in each section, and then it just gets done a little bit by little. Also, I recommend to start at the top, or for me, I've just been kind of doing it from the side to side, so that when you are working, you're not sliding it down and having it hanging over, and things like that. So you don't want that. So that's why I started at the top, so you can push it forward as you're working it and you don't have that problem of the hangover. So yeah, if you are interested in getting one of these awesome paintings, as you can see, this is actually a name brand. This is the only one in existence that I know of. It is paintwithdiamonds.com. I will leave a link below, so if you guys do want to find one of these, they have sales all of the time, really good deals. I think my sister, she buys multiples at a time because they are addicting. I will let you know. Once you do one, you're gonna want to do more. So if you want, I'd go ahead and order a couple of them. But use the link I will leave below in my description to go get your own today. It is a legit company. You know exactly what you're getting. You don't get no crap like this where it's supposed to be a full picture and it's not. And you know that they will send you the diamonds if there's any problems or anything like that, which I haven't had any, or if you lose them or whatever, they will replace those for free and send them to you, which I think is a really awesome deal as well. And just their customer service and everything is awesome. So they are a legit good company. So if you would like to go through them, and I just wanted to share this with you. I think this is a really awesome project, and I have really enjoyed doing it. They do sell kid versions as well, which I plan on ordering for my kids because they see me doing it and they want to do it as well. So it is just an overall fun project, a really cool thing that I have found thanks to my sister Jess. And, you know, it's just really awesome. So I hope you guys will go out and not go out, but go to the link and get one for yourself and, you know, just try it out. So anyways, I hope you give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. I post every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every Saturday. So I will see you on my next video. Alright, thanks. Bye.